Umintri rang ba kejala u Konrad ke sangma hagakat rio trek leber ula ai khublei ya ud hormonat CH sangma halur kajing sha jit kum u chief executive member CEM bathymmai Kagaru Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC u Konrad u ai ru kajing kerku kerdo ya u CEM bathymmai u balashim ya kane kajing kit kli but u kyrmen ru bahapo kajing alam kajong u on nangla ban pen klan shu ya ka council but when beteng ban no sinyang sya kabha kamyan but ka roi ka par jing kinong shong shnong kari lum garo kani ka jing shimti jong dhormonat CH sangma kum usi em bathamai ka GHATC klawan long hadin bau albinush ar marak ula hiarshuki kum usi em ka GHATC hapadeng ka jingwan ra ya ka no confidence motion da ki arpu wengot ki MBC jong ka council Usumbut Menteri Rangba Bakmi Yakatanat Kampo Ying ba District Council Affairs uba Preston Tensong Habakran Shakilat Taikubor Ulaong Ngasnguk men ban pentep shaphi baro bahaga janmiet jong khat rio trek leber kaying dor bar klajiet ya usi em batmai udi CH sangma Kani ka jinglong jingman kelawan long ru hadin bak sorkar ka pensange shwa yak election sha ka GHADC ka badeban long hak shpau tarik uyayong bat ka jingnyo vote bala bu ban long hak khat saw tarik uyayong hadin ka jingmi jong ka jinga kan an halur ka jing persha ya ka jinga shimbenta jong ki bam dei riulum ha ka election sha ka GHADC
See, let me just inform to all of you that again today in the morning, the CM of the District Council, Sri Albinus Armara, has resigned from the post of CM, and I'm also happy to inform to all of you that again in the afternoon of today, again the House has elected new CM by the name of Sri Dhormanat CH Sangma. So the new EC is now in place again, and with the decision taken by the cabinet today to extend the term of the House for another 6 months, now we leave it to the wisdom of the new executive committee to take a call on the issue of scheduled tribe or on the issue of contesting election both by tribal and non-tribal as far as Garo Hills Autonomous District Council is concerned.